Selection tools help isolate parts of your image. Try the rectangular Marquee, Lasso, and Quick Selection tool to practice. Press some key on your keyboard to activate rectangular Marquee tool, and then select using left mouse button any area you want to select. Make it to new layer by selecting plus icon in the down layer property. After that, select cutted layer from layer panel. Okay, now you can move cutted object. That's it. Lasso tool also used for cut any object to cut, but this tool is free. Type. It's mean you can draw any object and shape to cut by dragging mouse. This tool short key is L. Press L key on keyboard. Here I'm going to separate this car form image. Todo this frisk, I have to draw out line in car. After that, create new layer by pressing plus icon in layer property panel. Now select that layer OK, then separated car from image. That's it. Okay, let's move to next. Press W key on keyboard to select Quick Selection tool. This tool will be select edges of object. Let's see how it's work. Draw rectangular shape of a round object. Release mouse and wait a bit. After that tool will make perfect selection on image. Now do same thing as Lasso tool. It's DP.